How to redeem Fashion Nova gift card online. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site fashionnova.com. Once you are in this page, make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Look into the available product and head over to the product that you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy this one. Tap on Add to Bag and then click on Checkout. Well, in this page, enter your detailed contact information and then mention your shipping address. Once you have entered, here at the top right, you will find the option where it says gift card or discount code. All you want to do is enter your gift card number and then click on the arrow right beside the number. Once it has been done, the Fashion Nova gift card will be redeemed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem Fashion Nova gift card online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.